Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up footage in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. But before we get into that, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and I'll greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So let's get into it. Now, here on the timeline, I have footage of these long distance runners just doing their thing. Now we want to speed up footage, and to do it is actually quite simple. It's not even going to take us a minute. So what we need to do is to come to the footage, just make sure that the footage is highlighted. I downloaded this footage from Pexels, by the way. I'll leave a link to it in the description if you want to work along with it. So we need to go to the footage. Right here I've highlighted my footage. All I need to do is right click and come where it says speed and duration right here. Just click on it. And under speed, so the more percentage you put in, that's the faster the footage will go. So for example, I would like this footage maybe to go at maybe 300%. Let me just type in 300% and click OK. Now when we did that, you also saw that the length of the footage was also reduced, right? So let's play it back. It should be going fast, as you can see. So depending on the look that you're going for, that is how you speed up footage in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Now there's a second method of speeding up footage. Once again, let's just play the footage of our joggers running, and we're going to do the exact same thing. The only difference is that with this method, you'll see in a minute. So what you need to do is to come here where it's written FX, this gray thing right here. Just right click on it and come to where it says time remapping speed, and just click on that. And now you can see there's this line that is cutting across the footage. So what you need to do is just come, make sure that your mouse gets this these two arrows pointing upwards and downwards. Just click and hold and drag it to, and you can see that as I'm dragging it, even the percentage is increasing, and let it go. Now if I play back the footage, it's now obviously going faster, but with this method you can see that the audio is unaffected. So you might want to use this, let's say if you're doing some speed ramps, but that's another tutorial. Now if you found this video helpful, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Please also consider liking the video if it was useful to you, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.